Matthew Charney, tell us where we're at today.
We were at Fivefold Laundromat here in South Columbus.
And you underwent a retool.
So it was already a laundromat, and we came in, we thought we'd just do some little lipstick, and we actually ended up doing like a full renovation. So from the ground up, we pretty much touched everything.
I'm always curious as to how people find a laundromat business. Give me a little bit of your background and why laundromat Columbus, Ohio.
Worked for some different companies, was in the car rental company, two different ones. Worked for an autonomous robot company, and just really didn't like being in corporate America anymore, and really kind of wanted to work for myself and kind of take charge of my own future. And I actually met my distributor here, H&M, and so Chloe helped me then. And they're the Huebsch distributor here through Alliance. And this place opened up, and things kind of spiraled really quickly after that.
Having the best partner makes all the difference in the world.
The cool thing about this industry is like everyone's so open, so kind, and willing to help each other. And so that's one thing I really fell in love with.
What sold you on adding touch controls?
Since I am an unattended store, I thought it's more like having an attended person here. But when I was in the car rental industry, I was actually part of a group that actually brought in kiosks. The kiosks actually sold better than some of the employees. And so I took that same knowledge and brought that in, and you can see that some of the modifiers people do use just because it offers.
And I know some of those packages come with no payments for 90 days, so it allows you to get ramped up. Were you able to tap into things like that?
Yeah, it was actually great. They did 90 days, no payment. And then this first year, it's actually interest only. And then starting 2027, it's gonna be the full payment. So it's very helpful. And I think, we're very fortunate. The community's been very supportive of us, and we've been able to ramp up very quickly. But I think for other people, I think that would be very helpful when they're starting a new business. No one knows who they are.
I can see how proud you are of the laundromat. Did you have any idea coming in that you would enjoy the business as much as you do?
I think if you do things right, you'll enjoy it. I've seen some that they try to piecemeal it. They try to get old used machines, or they use an old changer, or they have issues and they have problems. If you do things the right way and have a good product, then it's a lot easier to do. It's fun. It's fun to come meet people. I've always had a customer service background, to meet great people and provide them a great service. It's fun every day, and then to see if maybe possibly to get another one.
What's the best piece of advice you would have for me if I'm thinking about getting into the business?
I would say start talking to people. People are so open. You don't find that very much anymore, and people are always, like, oh, well, I don't want to tell you because I need to, ruin it for me. Unless you're opening up across the street from me, it's not competitive. It's just fun. And it's a product that everyone's going to still need forever and ever. So it's a good business for you.